Hello everyone. Today I wanted to show you how to plot a graph using Excel software. I think many of you knows how to use Excel, so this video demo is for students who are not familiar with Excel software. So please go to your computer and open up Excel program and you will see a screen like this. Okay. In an Excel sheet, you will see columns labeled in A, B, C, D, and rows are labeled 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, if you click on these cells, you will see green rectangular box and you can enter text, you can enter numbers and formulas. We will not go into formula today. Okay, so referring back to your distillation post-lab report, in question number 1, it says to plot the graph of simple and fractional distillation temperature as a function of volume. So please use experimental data to plot the graph. Do not use the number that I'm going to generate here. This is just for demo. Okay, so let's say I have simple distillation data and I have to enter it here. So click on the cell right here, column A, row number 1, double click on it and I enter simple distillation data. Okay, well, I'm going to make this cell bigger, column bigger. So if you click on the See, highlight this, yeah. You will see a cross black arrow. Click on it and drag it across. Click, drag it across to the right. You can make the column bigger, okay? And column A will be temperature, right? Column B is volume, okay? Let's see, I started at 53, 55, 62. Okay, let's keep going. And I collected more data point here. Okay, I'm just making up here. All right, and I stop at 95. Somehow there's no more volume left, no more distillate. So start at 0 0.9. Let's see, collected quite a bit of volume here. So I have a larger volume of distillate. And keep going and stop right here. So now I have the data points. You have to plot this. So click on the cells here, column A, row number 3, click on it, and then drag across. Okay, make sure to select two columns, A and B, and drag across, drag it down. Okay, now the data is selected. Click on Insert, up here, go to Charts. You can do scatter plot or scatter with smooth line. Okay, I always like to start off with scatter plot and insert the lines later. Okay, so just do that for now. Ah, okay. So, all right, on the horizontal line should be volume and the vertical lines here, axis should be temperature. Well, you can flip this, right? If it's wrong, that's okay. Flip this, select the data. Okay, go to the tab here on the top, you will see a design. Make sure you select the chart and select data, and you will see you can switch the row and columns here. So the series number 1 is checked, so that's the data point right here. Okay, you can update this. So click on Edit, and series name will be Simple Distillation, right? And the X values, I want that to be volume. Okay, so it will populate here. Sheet number 1 means sheet number 1, and the column B3 to B12. B, column B here, number 3 here, B3 to B12 is populated. Click on the down arrow. All right, so X value is updated. Now I need to update the Y value. So up arrow, click on temperature. That's my vertical values. Vertical axis, down arrow, and then click OK. Now it's much better. So you can flip X and Y axis, okay? X and Y axis if you want. All right, so that's simple distillation. And what do we need next? It says to plot both fractional and simple on the same graph. So I need fractional distillation data. Okay. I have temperature and the volume here, right? So let's say I started off with 60, 63, 64, 66. Okay, and okay. Let's say I just collected more data points for fractional distillation. Okay, let's get going. Okay, 98. I stop right here. You can use the keyboard up and down arrows. You can move this cell up and down a bit faster. Let's say I collected 2.8 here, 3.5, 4, collected quite a bit here, and it kind of slowed down. Okay, 5.1, 5.5, then I started collecting quite a bit here. All right, so now I need to plot this data in the same graph. All right, so make sure you select the chart and then go up to design right here, right? And then again, select the data. Now, you have to enter a second series. So add, right? The series name will be oh, fractional distillation. Okay. And the X value, of course, is volume, right? And the Y values is right here, temperature. Yeah. So now you have another set of data plotted in the same chart. Click OK. I like that. Click OK. Okay. So now it looks okay, but it's kind of all bunched up on the top here. I want to adjust the y-axis a little bit. So if you click on y-axis, it will give you a box, right? And then right click on it and format, no, click on y-axis again. I want the y-axis and then right click on it and then click on format axis. Will give you a new minimum. So I want to adjust that to 40 to bring the curve down a little bit. Instead of starting from 0, I want to start from 40. Okay, so enter the minimum value as 40. I hit enter. So the curve's brought down here. That's much better. I like that. Okay, but then I have to add lines here, right? It says to put smooth lines. So click on the chart again. Go to change, under design, you will see change chart type. So if you click on it, now you have a selection of a bunch of charts, different type of graphs you can select. So under X, Y scatter, if you glide over it, you can see the previews. Okay. And then, okay. And then you can select scatter plot and glide it to have a preview and then glide it out again. Hit on it. All right, that's how it looks. Oh, that's ugly. That's also ugly. So maybe I wanted this one. Scatter with smooth lines and marker. That's good enough. Click OK. All right, that's good. But I need to enter the access title and chart legends and stuff. Okay, so if you have click on this little plus sign here on the side, you will see access title. I want that. I want chart title too. I want to put legend as well. Okay, that's good. Right? So it's kind of small, so click on it and drag the corner. Makes it bigger. Okay, now you can update the axis title. So if you click on the axis title and then enter what is this one, volume, right? In mil, enter the units as well. And then the y-axis should be temperature, right? Temp. Perature, right? Degrees Celsius. So you want to make sure you put this superscript this. So that little zero, I'm going to superscript that. All right, so temperature in degrees Celsius. That's good. And the chart title, you can double click on it, and then you can do what? Distillation curves, right? It's both simple distillation and fractional distillation curves on the same chart. So if you like this, click on it and right click, copy and paste into Word document. Okay. Um, so I showed you how to flip both X value and the Y values. The shortcut way you can do is if you enter the volume information onto column A and temperature information onto column B, and if you plot it, you don't have to convert the X and Y axis. So let me show you. Select it, copy, I want it on right here, Control V, select it, right click, copy, select it here, Control V, paste it, right? So you can then directly plot it as smooth line with dots. So now I have another graph right here. So you can do that instead of flipping the x-axis right here. All right. So you can do a lot of things with Excel. If you want to change, I don't know, the colors, you can do that too. Change color and dots and different color. You see, different color size. You can do that. You know, but I won't go into that anymore. I think this is good enough. And yeah, that's it. And thank you and bye bye.